Are you struggling to test your Angular components with TypeMoq? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify it for you. I totally get it. Setting up tests can be tricky, especially when you're trying to mock services. It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we will break it down step by step. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how do I use TypeMoq with Angular's TestBed to test my bar component? They provided their code and mentioned encountering a syntax error. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So what's happening here? The error message indicates that there might be an issue with how the function is being defined or called in your test setup. We'll explore this and find a solution together. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to fix this error, but also gain insights into effective testing practices with TypeMoq. To begin resolving the issue, the user should ensure that the foo service is correctly mocked in the testbed configuration. This involves providing the mock object in the provider's array. Next, the user should verify that the mock setup for the foo method is correctly defined. This means ensuring that the setup method is called before the test runs. After that, the user should check the component's lifecycle. The component must be initialized properly before calling any methods on it. Finally, the user should run the test again to see if the error persists. If the error continues, they may need to review the TypeMoq setup and ensure it aligns with Angular's testing requirements. Fun fact: did you know that mocking in tests can save you from unexpected side effects? It's like having a safety net while you code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user addresses the error encountered. They suggest using a loop to process parameter names by removing any dots. This prevents the error related to string interpolation in the function. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure your mocks are set up before you create the component instance. This will help you avoid many common pitfalls. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to test your bar component without any syntax errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Angular testing.